In this video, I'll guide you through how to create multiple YouTube channels using one Google account. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, to open YouTube website and click on a URL. Now type youtube.com/account. Then you'll come to this page. After coming to this page, you need to click on Add and Manage your channels. Then this page will open. Now click on Create a channel. Now type a channel name here. Then type a channel handle. If the handle is available, then this can check mark will appear here. And if you want to select a profile picture, then click on Select Picture and choose a profile picture. You can also choose a profile picture from your computer. To do this, click on From Computer and then Upload from Computer. Now choose a profile picture and resize it and click on Done button. Once it's ready, then click on Create a Channel. Then a YouTube channel will be created. Let's click on Continue button. To customize your YouTube channel, you click on Customization. Now you can change or remove profile photo from your YouTube channel and you can upload banner image. You can also add description, anything you want on your YouTube channel. By following this tutorial, you can easily make multiple YouTube channels with one Google account.